You must have heard this phrase known as Begani ki shadi mein Abdullah Diwana, right? Okay, great. That's what I do for my living, by the way. That's what I am. So, बचपन में पता है एक बच्चा होता है जिसको तुम हर जगह ले जाते हो शादियों में क्योंकि वो एंटरटेनिंग होता है. That was me. I was the बच्चा. Anchoring, dancing, mimicry करना, ये सब मेरे ऐसे ही टाइम पास के शौक थे. देन थोड़ा थोड़ा जब बड़ी हुई तो आई अंडरस्टूड कि यार मुझे ये पसंद आ रहा है. तो बेसिकली आई एम दैट किड जो आप सबके घर में कहीं ना कहीं होगा और बहुत सीरियसली ले लिया मैंने शायद उस बिजनेस को. सो या आई एम ऋतु जैन. आई एम द फाउंडर ऑफ द वेडिंग वाले. I have been in this industry for about 10 years. I have done about 300 weddings and a lot of celebrity weddings. I am a speaker, mentor. I have another company known as the Wed Venture, where I teach and explain people what I do. And yes, I'm a wedding planner. So I'm going to keep it short, sweet, and I hope everybody can take something out of this once they go home. Not everything, but maybe something that sticks with you, right? So we're going to do a little bit of interaction because I cannot speak one way. I need double interaction. So everybody knows to spell courage? Yes, thank you so much. A little bit of higher energy. Bas 10 minute lungi and I swear I will leave you with something that you can go back home with, right? So everybody knows how to spell courage? Thanks. So we'll start with the first letter. I will say C, and then once I'm done, you will just spell the other letter for me. So courage means very different for everybody. It means extremely different for me as well, right? When I see courage, I have been, I think, very small, like 5 years old, when I had seen a dream that I will be something in life. I didn't know what at that time. It took courage for that 5-year-old Ritu Jain to dream that I am not going to be average. I am going to stand out. I come from a family that is Marwadi and a middle class family. तो हमारे में जो इंडस्ट्रीज होती है दैट इज फार्मा. यू नो, बड़े होके क्या बनना है? इंजीनियर, डॉक्टर. तो ये माहौल में जब कोई बड़ा होता है सो दे डोंट अंडरस्टैंड दैट वेडिंग प्लानिंग इज एन इंडस्ट्री. अब मैं अगर मॉम डैड को बोलने जाऊं कि मुझे वेडिंग प्लानिंग करना है तो बोलेंगे वो तो घर वाले ही कर लेते हैं, तुम्हारी क्या जरूरत है, राइट? सो दैट्स वेयर आई हैड टू शो करेज. सो फॉर मी courage means this, and I'm going to start with C. C is to see things differently. Do you have that power to see things differently first? इसके बाद क्या आता है? Thank you so much. थोड़ा loud भी रह सकते हैं. O is observing the people in that industry who are successful. How have they become successful, right? And the next letter is perfect. U is believing in yourself, believing in you, right? Courage is nothing but just to overcome fear. And if you're not going to believe in yourself, how are you going to have the courage to do anything? Next. Thanks. Have a reality check. एकदम ही हवा में सपने देखने की जरूरत नहीं है जब courage का वर्ड आ जाता है. करियर में हमेशा एक रियलिटी चेक होना चाहिए कि आज अगर मैं यहाँ पे खड़ी हूँ और मैं बोल रही हूँ कि यार आई वांटेड टू बी अ वेडिंग प्लानर, यस दैट वाज एन इम्पॉसिबल ड्रीम, बट आई हैड अ रियलिटी चेक. I did my numbers, I did my statistics, I did all the research that was required. Next. Thanks. Adapting. It is very important to adapt, and everybody knows the classic example of Nokia, right? So we need to adapt. We need to adapt to the changes. We need to constantly learn something or the other. Next. G is giving out. हर एक लेटर के साथ आपकी ना वो कम होते जा रही है. But G is giving back to the society. Once you think you have learned something, always give back to the society. I'll tell you why. Even today, I am learning. I learn from my employees. I learn from the maids that work with me. I learn from my team. I learn from my clients so many times. हमारे field में तो every day you meet so many people that you're still learning. So you are supposed to be learning. Next. Thanks. Entertainment. Please keep yourself entertained. अगर आप वापस ऑफिस जाके उस बोरिंग जॉब से छुटकारा पाना चाहते हो तो किसी ना किसी तरीके से अपने आप को एंटरटेन करना सीख जाओ. That is how the courage is defined for me, and I will define it for you guys as well. Before I move to the next chapter, everybody likes Shah Rukh Khan here? No? कौन था ये? कैमरा पे लो इसको. इस टीवी पे जानी चाहिए. But I'm assuming, even however, we love this man for various reasons. I love this man for a very different reason. I'm reading this book right now, and which has inspired me to say this line out loud. When we Google courage, somebody's phone is ringing, and that's amazing because I completely forgot what I was speaking. But anyway, we as people, when we Google courage, what do you come up with? Has anybody done that? No. I will just say you, because I was trying to start the speech, 3 ways of starting your speech, 4 ways of starting your speech. So courage ko define karo. So I started looking up courage. It is basically the willingness to get over some fear, right? Now, necessarily, the fear doesn't comes from within. It can come from your family. कि यार आप तो लड़की हो, how will you be able to survive in a male dominant industry? And I was just 19 years old when I was listening to this. Fear comes from your friends. अरे हम सब CA कर रहे हैं, डॉक्टर कर रहे हैं, तू कहाँ जा रही है? Okay. Fear comes then from within. That am I going to be able to do it? Will I be able to do it? And then to stand there and stick your ground and say, no, I will be able to do it. That is courage. You overcome every single thing that people have said, thought, or have told about you. That is courage. But yes, coming back to Shah Rukh Khan, I keep losing the track. Coming back to Mr. Shah Rukh Khan, and he said something very beautiful in one of his movies, which is, डरने में कोई बुराई नहीं है. I swear I've practiced this line 10 times. I hope I say it out very correctly right now. डरने में कोई बुराई नहीं है, but उस डर को इतना भी बढ़ने मत दो कि वो आपको आगे बढ़ने से रोक ले. So yes, I completely understand what he's saying. I'm going to give you a very short example of myself before I leave the stage today, and I hope you understand where I'm coming from. So हमारी जो industry है ना, it's very glamorous. Everybody seen Band Baja Barat? Perfect. The moment I meet my client, he's like, "Acha, आप Band Baja Barat जैसे हो." And I'm like, "नहीं sir, I'm a planner, but it takes me a little bit of while to explain them." When I started this company, I was 21 years old. I have worn 6 inches heels right now to look this tall. Believe me when I say that. Now imagine when I was 21 years old, minus the heels, I used to go for the meetings and the client used to say, "Aapke boss nahi aaye?" And I was like, "I am the boss." नहीं, आप अगली बार आपके पापा को लेके आना. मैंने बोला, पापा इम्पोर्ट एक्सपोर्ट का काम करते हैं, आपकी शादी में क्या कराएंगे? So that's how I begin. Now rejections. Okay, believe me, I've seen a lot of rejections. क्योंकि अगर कोई करोड़ों की शादी आपके कंधे पे रखने वाला है, उसकी बेटी जिसकी वो शादी करने वाला है, वो प्लानर से बड़ी है. तो at the end of the day, it is going to be like, बच्चा आप कर पाओगे? वहां पे चलना नहीं है इधर उधर. शादी मैनेज करनी, इज्जत का सवाल है, पैसे लगे हुए हैं, केटरिंग देखना है, ये देखना. I said, okay, fine. Get it. Then I told uncle, and this story is very dear to me, okay? I remember this, I didn't have a name. मेरा कंपनी का नाम The Wedding वाले अब तक रखा नहीं था, because I had just entered the field and I just, क्योंकि इतना मैंने, मतलब I had too many stones were thrown at me that you're a girl, you won't be able to do it, you're too small, you're brilliant, you do CA. तो तब तक ना I was already saturated. So I entered in a very, this space in that uncle's house, and I remember as I opened the door, the maid shouted कि wedding वाले आ गए हैं. I said, ये नाम तो सही लग रहा है, ये इसको हम रखेंगे. तो जब मैं अंदर गई, this is courage, believe me. I went inside, I sat on the table and he said, who are you? I said, I'm the wedding wale. And that's how my company name came into existence. Then he said, okay, XYZ, again the same question. How old you are you sure? Have you done any weddings? Are you going to be able to do it? And I was like, sir, don't give me the wedding. It is fine. Let's have a conversation. I will try to do a little part here and there, whichever is possible. He said, okay, beta, better chai peete hain. I said, okay, let's have chai. Now, when I was talking to him, I said, sir, आप cricket देखते हो? He said, हाँ, मैं देखता हूँ. मैं बोला, आपका favorite player कौन है? मन में प्रे कर रही थी सचिन तेंदुलकर ही बोले, वरने आगे की लाइन जो इतनी रटी हुई है ना, वो वेस्ट चली जाएगी. And that happened. He said Sachin Tendulkar. And I said, perfect. अंदर से I was like, अब मौका है, अब लाइन बोलनी है ऋतु. तो मैंने बोला, सर, कितने साल में शुरू किया था सचिन तेंदुलकर ने? He said, 17. मैंने बोला, सर, अगर BCCI ने उसके हाथ में बैट दिया है, तो डेफिनेटली कुछ तो किया होगा ना. 17 साल की उम्र में अगर दे रहे हैं तो आप भी एक सचिन तेंदुलकर को चांस दे के देख लो. I swear to God, I am not even kidding. He gave me that wedding. Okay. I'm not saying that it was the best wedding, but he gave me that wedding. He gave another, I would not say Sachin Tendulkar, he's too big, but he gave someone a chance that day, and I did that wedding. It's been 10 years. I have done 9 weddings in that family, and whenever I meet him, he just sees me with this new aura, new energy, new vibe that I come up with every time. That takes courage. But believe me when I say that, and I want to leave you guys with these 3 things towards the end of it. Courage comes from within. Courage comes from believing in yourself and throwing the stones right back at those people who put fear in you. Believe in yourself, take care of yourself, and love yourself. Thank you so much.